Alright friends, now we are starting with two-dimensional arrays in Java. These are also called matrices. So first, let's understand the concept. Later, we will look at how to code it. Let's say we have matrix like this. So I open my pen, I come here. So my matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9. So as you see, this is a 3-row and 3-column two-dimensional array. So you can think in terms of rows and columns. Each row, this is my rows, has 3 elements. And all rows have the same length. I mean, my first row has 3 elements. On my second row has 3 elements too. It continues. So in Java, in other programming also, indexing starts from 0. So here, index 1 means I am in the first row. So index 0 means I am in the first row. Index 1 means I am at the second row. So index 2 means I am at the third row. So the same logic applies to the column. Index 1, I am at the first column. So index 0, I am at the first column. So index 1, I am at the second column. So index 2, I am at the third column. So how can I access the elements? So to access a two-dimensional array element, we can use row index first and then column index. For example, let's access these elements. How can I access this? For example, matrix, which is my matrix name, and then I open my square brackets. It's my row index, and then I give my column index. So matrix 0, 1. It means it gives me the element at the first row and second column. So it gives me 2 here. I hope you understand it. Alright, let's define a matrix here. I come and I say integer, and then I open my square brackets, but this time 2 times I open it. So my matrix name is A. So I equals to, I open my curly braces, and then I need to define my elements. So I define each row like this: 1, 2, and 3. And then I put my comma. I define my second row, which is 4, 5, and 6. So I put my comma. I define my third row, which is 7, 8, and 9. Alright. So let's access these 2. I come here. I say system.out.println, and then what's my variable name? A. I open my square brackets, the element at my first column, first row. So I give 0. And then the element is at my second column. So that's why I give 1. So A01, A0, this is my first row, and then 1, this is my second column. So it gives me 2. Let's check it. Is it correct or not? I run it. You see, it gives me 2. For example, I want to reach this 4. So 4 is my at second column, at second row. So that's why I give 1 here. And then 4 is at my first column. So that's why I give 0 here. A10. I save it. I run it. You see, it gives me 4. I hope you understand it. Super.